Legit!
Thank you so far.
You're vlogging.
Hi guys. And look, we're matching. We're at Salcedo Village. And it's our mansard. You just guess kung pang ilan. This is the fit check.
Hi guys. Why don't you talk to your vlog?
I'm kinda tired.
Tired already?
We're ready, but we haven't done anything yet.
We haven't even done anything yet.
Yeah, we haven't even walked. Just eat. Eat. Anyways, we're on the way to a flea market, Mercado Market. And there's a lot of matcha there. You know, I'm so glad it's not raining.
Probel.
Where is the building?
Probel, that one.
That is the building?
Yeah.
Look! Can't you see? He's golfing. We've seen this before now. You remember this?
Just pay me. I can pay.
No, me naman. Kasi marami ka na nag-pick up. Go to matcha or sea salt matcha?
You said you want sea salt, right?
Parang gusto ko yung normal lang.
Okay. Okay, then let's try sea salt. Okay. Halo, or ito, this one. No? Penguins. Okay?
Hi guys, settled na kami here. First order is go to matcha. You want to try it first?
Same time.
Okay. Gonna wait for the other matcha. Thank you so much. It's best to put your song in it. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. Love, try it na. Masarap daw siya pag nakadip yung croissant.
Sabi nila.
Laki niya na rin kaya.
Sarap ng tinap.
Pwede ba pili? Ito lang ata.
Siguro gawa nila yan, no?
This is mine. This is mine. This is mine. We get the hype though. This is an 11 out of 10. This is a 9. Gonna open my gift. Read this. Thank you.
Sobrang munyeka.
May napulot akong chinito sa lab. Sinama ko na dito sa cross. Same kami damit. I-rate niya yung yung haircut niya. Kaya magsasalamin. Mag-contacts ka na lang.
Oo, kailangan ko pang basket.